Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, my name is Orlagh, and if you follow me over on Instagram, you might have noticed in the last couple of years I've really reduced my shopping, probably by like 95%, mainly due to like environmental reasons, but also because I found I was buying stuff all the time with not really much justification. Feeling sad? Buy a jacket. Feeling happy? Buy a new blouse. Want to study but feel really demotivated? Buy yourself a t-shirt. You get the point. And it wasn't good, so I decided to completely cut back and just restyle what I already have, and if I do buy something new, it's got to be something that works with a lot of other outfits at lots of times of the year. So with all that in mind, I'm going to show you today 5 ways I would style pleather trousers. So mine are from New Look. They've got this elasticated waist, which is great for the old food bibby, and they're kind of slightly cropped with this big one line down the front. I'll show you properly in the styling section anyway. Yes, if you want to see how I would style these in lots of different ways, well, 5 ways I said, didn't I? So if you want to see how I would style these in 5 different ways, stay tuned. So sorry in advance for cutting off both my head and my feet. I've just bought a tripod, so hopefully next time it'll be fixed. So the first way is wearing a casual t-shirt that I'm now tucking in to the leather trousers. It's quite a nice casual look, and putting this nice jacket on the top. So I like the kind of rust brown colours in this outfit. You've got the brown from the jacket, and my shoes, although I don't think I did a great job of showing them, are this kind of burnt orange shade, which I really like. Pop on a baker boy hat and my favourite little black bag, and it's a nice, stylish, comfortable outfit. Okay, number 2 is kind of working with shades of grey. So I've got this grey roll neck jumper on that I've had for years. I really love it. And to jazz it up a little bit, I'm taking one of my favourite necklaces. I get most of my jewellery from the Accessorize Z collection, and this is a really nice, I think no, it's not a moonstone, I can't remember, nearly fell over. Good job, Orlagh. And I'm putting on this quite thin, long, kind of duster coat style blazer from Topshop that I've had for years now. And I like the different tones of grey. And it's quite a smart look. I guess you could wear this to work, depending on your job. And again, popping on my favourite black bag, shooing my hat away, it was in the shot, and there you go. Okay, outfit 3. This is working with a lot of different textures. I've got this black roll neck top on that I don't think you can see very well, but it's ribbed. And then you've got the pleather from the trousers, and then these satin shoes. So I don't know if these will be a bit of a Marmite item, but they're this emerald green colour with lovely embroidered birds and flowers all over them. So I'm putting those on with a little bit of difficulty. And I just love how all of these textures work together. By keeping the rest of the outfit simple in terms of colour, it allows the shoes to really stand out, but then you've got the different textures which mix it up a little bit. And I'm going to accessorise with some gold jewellery. So I'm taking these gold kind of knotted earrings. Again, I've had these for years. I think they're from Primark actually. But I'm putting those on and then selecting another necklace, which is also Accessorize Z collection. And do you like my little storage solution for jewellery? They're actually coat hangers on the wall. But this is, again, I can't remember the stone. I want to say labradite maybe? Watch me get that wrong. It's not a Labrador, let's put it that way. Although that would be kind of cute, a tiny Labrador on a necklace. Yeah, these pieces of jewellery just kind of elevate the outfit a bit. I tried to get a cute close-up shot, but again, I've got new lighting and I'm trying to make it work. And I kind of failed there, but oh well. Top it off with a leather jacket. I know it's kind of double leather pleather, but I really like that look. Kind of biker chic, dancing, because I was playing music at the same time. And yes, moving on to the next outfit. You've got this satin cami, which is this like emerald green colour. I'm a big fan of this shade actually. And this will be a really cute night out look. Night out, what is that, right? Can't remember the last time I went on a night out. Oops a daisy. So I've shown you 2 shoe options here. If you're like me and you kind of prefer comfort, I really kind of live in boots. You've got these kind of ankle boots with a nice silver zip detail, or these lace-up shoes, which are gorgeous but definitely don't get the airtime they deserve. They're these blue and turquoise kind of strappy shoes. But there's 2 options there. You know, you can do either depending on what you like. And then to complete the look, this little velvet clutch. Again, I like the mixture of the textures with the satin, the velvet, doing a little jig there, loving my own jokes. If you can't laugh at your own jokes, who else will laugh at them? That's what I always say. And actually, to make this outfit more casual, I like to wear these satin tops in the daytime. So I'm throwing on this oversized cardigan and trainers, so it kind of turns down everything else. Popping on my trusty Zara backpack, which fits loads in, and you're good to go. Okay, and the final outfit, I'm taking this blouse I got from Zara a couple of years ago, and it's really cute. It's got this kind of gold half moon detail all over, and these Lawrence Llewellyn Bowen worthy sleeves, and putting a blazer on top. So this is a gorgeous kind of burgundy shade, a bit oxblood. Oxblood always sounds really grim, doesn't it? And I'm adding my trusty black bag again, and that completes the look. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let me know which was your favourite down below. And if you like this idea in general, make sure to follow me over on Instagram. I'll put my handle here. It's at Orlagh. Because every Friday I do 5 Ways Fridays, and I show you 5 ways I would style a different item. And it helps me rediscover my own wardrobe, and hopefully it will help you to have a few ideas on how to style different things too. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again around these parts soon. Bye!